Very皆さん、こんにちは。Today I'm gonna show 5 Japanese snacks MARINA collection. Do you know this? I think this is very famous. Matcha flavor KitKat. Matcha です。This is the snack of Japanese plum. There is no seed inside. Salty and sweet. This is Japanese rice crackers. Very hard. Very big. Very hard and very tasty. Shoyu. This is the snack of seaweed, wakame. This is soft and chewy. This is confetti. In Japanese, Kompeito. This looks like a star, so I really liked this when I was a child. Sweet. How was today's lesson? Which one? Do you wanna try? Bye bye!